Hi guys, here 10 minus 1 plus 2 is 3 to the power of 2 times 3 minus 4. Here 10 minus 3 square is 9 times 3 minus 4. Here 10 minus 9 is 1 times 3 minus 4. Here 1 times 3 is 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is negative 1 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this negative 1 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 10 minus 1 plus 2 is 3 to the power of this 2 times 3 minus 4. Here, next priority exponent. We have exponent here is 3 to the power of 2. So 10 minus this 3 to the power of 2 is 9 times 3 minus 4. The next priority is multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this subtraction. So 10 minus, here it is 9 times 3 is 27 minus 4. Here we have both are subtractions. We have to do this first. So 10 minus 27 is negative 17 minus this 4. Here both are negative symbols. So we have to do this addition here with negative symbol. Minus 21 is the correct answer.